this video, we're going to be taking a look at unlocking the Reports tab. The Reports tab can be found under the campaigns, so let's head over and take a look. A report is going to allow you to make a summary of an active or a closed campaign just by highlighting the campaign and clicking export. You can then choose a periodic or a content type of report. Periodic is a short report about the numbers and the performance, also including a breakdown of the social media platforms. And the content will be a detailed campaign summary report showcasing each individual content. So you will also be able to see the content from each content creator. They will appear in exported reports, and as soon as they're available to download, you can just click download and view the full report. Something also very interesting here is the template section. So apart from the usual default one, you can also customize it. This is really useful if you're perhaps an agency or you're representing a client. So here you can upload the brand logo, you can upload the background color. Basically you can choose the color here to match the company colors, and that's the same with the text color. You can pick the color as well as the highlighted text color. So essentially what you can do here is choose the company colors and match them with the logo.